Hey everyone, it's Allison here with New Little Life. Today we're gonna make some breast milk lotion. I've got several helpers with me today. I've got my little guy, and the other two are home on Christmas break while I'm filming this, so they'll probably pop in the videos too, although they've been begging me for months to be in a video, so whatever. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so to make breast milk lotion, here's what you need. You need some beeswax. I will put links for everything down below for you so you know exactly what to get and where to find it. I've also got some grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil. I saw some recipes too that also used vitamin D oil, so you could do that as well. You can also add some essential oil if you want. That's totally optional. I'm not going to be doing that today because my little guy just has some sensitive skin. And I just am not going to put that in, but you definitely can, especially if your little one does well. I recommend something like lavender, nice and gentle, nothing too hard on their new skin. And then obviously some breast milk. So I've got a couple ounces over here thawing in some water right now from my freezer stash that is way too big, but I try a lot of breast pumps, so there's a lot of milk in the freezer. This is a great way to use milk from your freezer or that you have in the fridge that you just don't know what to do with. My little guy doesn't take bottles, he's breastfed, so I've got lots of milk to spare. He also gets rashes occasionally. He does have sensitive skin, so I'm interested to see how this lotion compares to some other stuff that we usually try for him. All the updates like that on storage or uses or any other things that I find that might help you with this process are all going to be over on my Instagram page. That's where I post a lot of the information like that, so you can check that out. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I don't have a microwave or a double boiler, so you can use the microwave for sure. Just microwave these things at about 20-second intervals. You do not want to cook them, so nice and short, stirring in between. You can definitely use the microwave if you're not like a cave person like we are. I don't have a double boiler either though, so I'm just going to be using 2 pots. So there's some water in the bottom of this one, and then I'm going to stick this pot on the top. The reason you want to do it that way is you don't want to cook any of this wax or things like that. You just want to melt it. So if you put your pot right on the stove, it's going to cook it and not be good. So just double pan it like that. You can also put a glass bowl in a pot if that works too. You're just trying to get the heat from the bottom one to heat whatever's in the top one. But also you're welcome to use your microwave. So we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of beeswax. Yep. That's over here melting on the stove pretty quickly. So next we're going to add 3 ounces of grapeseed oil. Baby wants to help too. Grapeseed oil. Can you say that?
Grapeseed oil.
We're going to do 3 ounces of breast milk. Simon's going to measure it for me. Do we need more?
Yes.
What does it say, Simon?
3.24.
3.24. That's close enough for this recipe. So whether you're doing this in the microwave or on the stove, it should all be combined into 1 oil. You probably can't see that, but it's all 1 oil there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that from the heat and then add in the vitamin E drops. I'm gonna do about 5 drops of these. Pan's hot, okay. 5 drops. Very good. This would be the point where you put the essential oils in if you want to. Just a few drops. Like I said, I'm going to leave that out for my little guy, just a personal preference. All right, Simon, will you add in that breast milk for me?
This?
Mm-hmm. Somewhere between 3 and 3.5 ounces. You can also use a bottle to measure if that's what you've got.
Pour it?
Go for it.
That looks weird.
It does look weird. So it already kind of congealed up. I'm going to bring the camera over here so you can see it while I stir it. All right, so you can see we're mixing that together. It's going to take a little bit to whisk this into a lotion looking consistency. That looks really good. Not that I'm surprised with myself, but I am impressed that that worked and turned into lotion. So you have a couple of storage options. I have some leftover jam jars from jam this year, so I might use some of those. You could also use a glass container like that. This needs to cool a little bit though, so I'm actually gonna put this in the fridge for 1 hour, and then when I come back, I will transfer it over into one of these jars. Okay, it's been an hour. The little guy took a nap, and now he's back up on me. So here's what it looks like. It's a really good lotion-y consistency. Okay, so my little helper is dying to help me. He's gonna help me put it in a storage container for us. Okay, should we do the big bowl or the little bowl?
Big bowl.
All right, go ahead and put it in the big bowl.
Put the big boy.
While he's doing that, over here behind me, we've got some soap molds, like this one, that are filled with breast milk soap. So I got a video on that too. You can go check that out. Also on my channel is a DIY breast milk jewelry video. So that's really fun as well. There's lots of cool things you can do with your breast milk. You can also just throw it right in the little one's bath. My little guy loves that, and the boys think it's so funny when they put breast milk in the bath. It makes their skin so soft though. Clears up rashes really quickly. Sunburns, it's also great for. I can think of a lot of things. How's it going, little one?
Great.
Great. Okay, there you go. Breastmilk lotion. Excuse the mess of the container. That was my almost 4-year-old that was helping me there. But the consistency of that is actually really, really nice. I do recommend trying it on just a little section of your baby's skin before you rub it over their whole body. Ooh. That's a really nice consistency. I'm really happy with that. Thanks for watching today. The recipe is in the description, and there'll also be some extra stuff for you down there, so don't forget to check that out. You all done for today? We'll see you on the next video. And cut!